In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived chats in Chat GPT. If you've tucked conversations away and want to bring them back or clean them up, I'll walk you through exactly where to find them and what each option does, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Chat GPT and press Enter. In the results, click the official Chat GPT website so you land on the Chat GPT home interface in your browser. Once you're in Chat GPT, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area. This may show your name, initials, or a small avatar. Click that profile section to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a panel where you can adjust how ChatGPT behaves and how your data is handled. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Data Controls. Click that to open it. This is where ChatGPT groups privacy and data-related options, including access to your archived conversations. Within Data Controls, look for Archived Chats. Next to it, click Manage. This opens a dedicated view of your archived conversations. Here, you'll see any chats you've previously archived listed out. From this view, you have two main actions. If you want to bring a conversation back into your regular chat list, choose the Unarchive option for that conversation. Unarchiving moves it out of the archive and back into your main sidebar, so you can continue right where you left off. If your sidebar is open, you'll see it reappear. If not, just return to your chats and you'll find it there. If you no longer need a conversation at all, you can delete it from the archive. Deleting removes it from your account. Because deletion is meant to be permanent, you may be asked to confirm before it's removed. Only choose Delete if you're sure you won't need the conversation or its contents again. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see any items under Archived Chats, that simply means you haven't archived anything yet. The Manage view may open as a panel or a small window, depending on your browser size, but the options are the same. And if you unarchive something and don't immediately see it in your sidebar, give the page a moment or navigate back to your chats list. That's it. You've learned exactly how to locate and manage archived chats in ChatGPT, including how to unarchive or delete them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your conversations organized.